Let's talk about some of our utensils for our fabulous fajitas. Okay, I mean, after you're finished with this, you may even have a green card, people. They're that good. All right, so I talked to you guys during our segment during salsa, so if you've watched that, I apologize. I'm going to repeat myself. We are going to need a cutting board. Now, I want to stress something. If you've got a glass cutting board, get rid of it. Because if you're wondering why your knives are a little dull, that would be why. If you're cutting with a glass cutting board, you're dulling your knives. And so I don't have of knives. In fact, these are just little IKEA knives, and they work really well for me. They cut my produce just the way I like it, and I'm in control, and I like that. So our specific utensils and tools that we're going to be using today are the cutting board, of course, like I already talked about. Next, we've got our spatula. Our spatula will be needing to carry and move around our chicken. Our knives, like I mentioned, and several bowls to be able to put some of your condiments in. And that does it for utensils and tools. We'll be right back